Check out the 4 awesome new shades that have just been added to the Stop the Search mascara collection. I'm going to use my 2 favourite colours and the Collider Extra palette to create 2 awesome but totally different looks. Pro tip, if you apply a bit of concealer, I'm using our Pro Base concealer, to the eyelid before you put a brighter shade on, it just gives an extra powerful finish to your eye look. Please do like, subscribe and comment. I'd love to see your feedback about this look.